Alright, so as you can already see from the title of the video, I'll be showing you how to manage customers' orders on the Woocommerce website. So without any further ado, let's jump in and get started. Alright, so in this video, I will be showing you how to manage product orders on the website. As you can see, this is the front end of the website. Right here, this is what the customers will see when they visit aishaochoa.com. So for you to manage product orders, you need to have access to the back end. So to have access to the back end, you need to log in to the back end of the website, and I'll show you how to log in. You see the URL up here. Let me expand the screen so you can see better. Okay, you can see the URL there. You just need to put a slash here and put wp-admin. There are different management rights for the website. We have the admin, we have editor, we have the shop owner. So I'm going to grant you I think shop owner management rights, so you could have access. I'm going to block the password since I posted this online. So you start the username here, which will be provided, and you start the password. This is the back end of the website. There are a lot of things going on here, so don't worry about that. You don't need to worry about any of this. This dashboard is for the admin. You might not see something like this, but you're going to see something similar like this. So, and right now, if you go down here, you can just scroll there. You see there are different tabs here, and you see posts, you see media. You don't need to worry about any of this for now. Here, you just need to scroll down to where you see Woocommerce. Right here, where you see Woocommerce, here you see orders. Can you see orders? We're having 30 orders right now, so you just need to click orders here. Once you click orders, you're going to see all the orders here. You can see here the names, the date, the status is on hold, processing. So there are different payment methods customers on the website have access to. They have card payment, they have direct bank transfer. So depending on what method the customers use to purchase a product on the website, you might see varying status here. So if they use bank transfer and the payment processor has to process their payment, you're likely going to be seeing different. So sometimes the customer might cancel the order from their end, and you might see cancel, or you yourself can cancel the order from this end. Maybe they made the order, didn't make payment, you can cancel it from here. It's not complicated. So here you can see, if I was trying to process the payment for this particular customer, Tope or Namade, all I would do is click her name, or I can open it in a new tab like that. If you are trying to sort all the orders, like you want to see all the processing orders, you see them here, all of them. This tab here is for all the orders. It's going to list both the on hold, the processing, the cancelled orders. But if you want to see a specific section of the orders, probably the orders that are on hold, the ones that are processing, the ones that are completed, the ones that have been cancelled, you can click any of these tabs. But if you want to see all of them on one page, this is what you should do with here. Just here all. So right now we've opened Tope's order. So let's see what the order looks like. So if you scroll down here, you would see the date the order was made. You would see the order was made via direct bank transfer, and the IP address of the customer is here, and you see what product, the billing address of the customer. You can see their billing address, their shipping address is over here, their phone number, just in case you need to speak with them, you can call them, and their email address down here, and you will see the orders they made here: small hook earrings, spindle pendant, customized mom gold necklace. All their orders are listed down here, and you see the shipping preference they picked. Here they see they picked shipping preference outside Lagos. It just tells you this customer is outside Lagos, okay, and the delivery fee 2005 is right here. So if you come down here, you see the total over here. You can process it. If this looks good to you, everything is fine, the payment the customer has made has been processed, all you need to do now, you could change their order type from processing, because earlier back here you see Tope's order is on hold, probably because you have not cleared a payment or something. So here you can change her order from on hold. Right here you can see a status. You can change it from on hold to completed, and make sure after changing this you update the new status right here. Make sure you always update it. If you change it here and don't update it here, it wouldn't be updated. It's list here. Okay, so make sure you always update each time you change their status or you make any changes. Make sure you always update it. And if you want to send a note to the customer, you can just come here and add a note to the customer, or preferably call the customer on phone and sort out whatever issues you need to sort out with the customer. Okay, so that is how you deal with product orders right here. You might see there are different pages here. For instance, if there are other orders you cannot find on this first page, all you need to do is go to the next page. The next page will give you access to other orders, and you can see we are just on page 1 of 10. So if we click the next page, we are going to have access to other orders that have been made. That's how you would navigate through all the pages to access all the orders from the customers. I'm going to create a subsequent video to show you how to do other tasks on the website, like posting articles or blogs, or sorting, uploading products on the website. All those other tasks, I will show you how to execute them on the back end of the website. But for now, this should be okay for processing orders made by the customers. So see you in the next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Reed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Reed School, or visit us at reedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.